Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Starlink shows user disabled. It means the service was turned off from the account, not a hardware problem. Open the Starlink app on your phone. Log in using the account owner's Gmail or email. Go to account or billing. If you see user disabled, the service is paused or deactivated. Look for an option like enable service, resume service, reactive. Tap it and confirm. Make sure your account has an active subscription, a valid payment method. If payment failed earlier, update your card and complete the payment. After enabling the service, unplug the router, wait for 1 minute, then plug it back in. Wait 5 minutes for reconnection. After that, open the Starlink app again, then the status should change from user disabled to online. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.